नमस्कार प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, आज हम बात करेंगे एक रिसेंटली जो चैलेंज लॉन्च हुआ है, दैट इज अ फ्लिपकार्ट रनवे चैलेंज. बेसिकली इट इज फॉर द इंटर्नशिप और इट इज फॉर द इंटर्नशिप ऑफ अ फीमेल engineers who are into the second year. Why it is only for the female? Because all organizations, all the big giant organizations, they are also working for a diversity kind of programs where they focus on more and more female candidate and more women. So in the same prospect, the Flipkart has recently launched a program which is known as a Flipkart Runway. It's one of the most popular program of Flipkart to hire the intern for their organizations, and that is basically for a BTech all branches. There is no any kind of branch restriction, but that is for second year. Those students who are in the second year, who are going to pass out in 2026 batch, they will be eligible for this internship program, which is recently is being launched by the Flipkart. So why it is Flipkart Runway? Because this is for the internship, and the internship where you can get a stipend up to rupees 1 lakh. So that is a golden opportunity for all the female graduates who are into the BTech second year. They are looking for an internship with Flipkart or at a stipend of rupees 1 lakh or up to 1 lakh. Is a golden opportunity for them. How you can apply for that? So we will share the link in the description box. So for this process, you can apply through the registration link, whatever we will give in the description box. You can just check it out and you can apply for it. The last date of registration is up to 11th of March. So you have enough time for you. So you can easily apply for that golden opportunities. After you will enroll yourself, when you will get registered, then you will have to go for one online test where they will check your basic coding skills. And the test will take place most probably on 17th or 18th of March. So if you will clear the test, after clearing the test, that online quiz competition, or you can say the coding test, you will be eligible for the SOP, which is known as a statement of purpose. Basically, the purpose of giving this SOP to those students who is shortlisting in the first round, so that the company can have an idea what basically innovative practices you have adopted, on which kind of live projects you are working, what thought process you have, why you want to be in a part of Flipkart for the internship, how you can contribute in the better way. So for that reason, they have the second round, which is known as a statement of purpose. After getting shortlisting for the statement of purpose, you will be shortlisted for the interview of Flipkart, where the officials from Flipkart will take your interview for the internship. And the internship, when you will get selected in the internship, then you can go for the internship from April to May 2024, because of almost after fourth semester, the student has to go for the internship. So it's a opportunity for those who are in the second year looking for an opportunity with Flipkart, and they can easily become a part of it. So there is no branch restrictions, only female graduate is must. The second year candidate who are into the BTech, if they are the female, they can apply for it. And no doubt the competition will be tough, because from all over the India people will participate. When the competition is tough, the opportunity is also lucrative. And when the opportunity is lucrative, definitely you have to become a part of it. Any person having the skill towards coding, if they are knowing about C, C++, Java, JavaScript and Python, they are the best fit candidate for this specific internship profile. You have to be in a hurry and you have to apply soon for this opportunity. Link and everything we will give in the description box, so that you can have an idea. If any more information about this challenge, if you want from our side, you can also give your comment or feedback in the description box. We will try to resolve it out, and it is open for all second year students. So I think you all have to apply soon, and best of luck. इसी के साथ जय हिंद, जय भारत, धन्यवाद.